So good day everyone. Our topic for today is humidifying. So problem number one, we have air at 30-degree DVT and 48% RH is humidified at constant temperature until RH becomes 70% RH. So we have at 30 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and 40% of RH. Then we have humidity ratio of 0.0106 kilogram per kilogram. Then at 70% of RH, we have W2 is 0.0188 kilogram per kilogram. So the required of this problem is the moisture added per kilogram of dry air. So the solution is moisture added equals W2 minus W1. So input the given formula, then we have 0.0188 minus 0.0106 kilogram per kilogram to get 0.0082 kilogram per kilogram. So in the number 2 problem, we have given 25 degrees Celsius DVT and 50% of RH, and at 90% of RH is first is this we have W1, we have 0.0099 kilogram per kilogram, then we have W2 is 0.0179 kilogram per kilogram. Then the required of this problem is the change of DVT ratio. So the solution is, when we have the formula, delta DVT ratio equals W2 minus W1, then input the formula, we have 0.0179 minus 0.0099 to get the answer of 0.00888 kilogram per kilogram.